Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This is fresh out called BacklinkMaker AI. So it's artificial intelligence, creates backlinks, and as you can see here, they're going one step further to go, hey, you can sell the service of offering people backlinks. So the AI goes out, you basically just log into the dashboard, enter in the whether it's your blog page or website page, or your YouTube video, and you click, go, and it goes and grabs you backlinks. So you can sell that service here. Start your own SEO digital marketing agency in 3 steps, and away you go. So when we look inside, I will mention the link in the video description takes you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. Bit of a description there of Backlink Marketer AI. There's a demo video showing you how it all works. 6-minute demo video, and here you go. Once you have it, you'll be able to rank #1 on Google, Bing, and Yahoo in 3 easy steps. Log in and enter the dashboard, enter your website or YouTube link, and click Get Backlinks. There we go. I said go. And step 3, BacklinkMaker AI will automatically send backlinks to the most high authority websites. So there's some upgrade offers there. At the bottom of it, oh, that's the part I've missed, is it's $17. $17 piece of software. And you scroll to the bottom of that blog post, there's a $3 off and a $4 off discount coupon code. See what works. The $4 off one was kind of like an early bird thing. See if that still works for you. But the $3 one will bring it down from 17 down to 14 bucks. 14 bucks to get automatic backlinks to give you higher rankings. You couldn't ask for anything more. So click the link in the video description. Come to my site at MarketingSharks.com. Let's see if I can go and give you anything more here out of this. Enter your website. There you go. And I wanted to go down, not all this part. I think I wanted to go, yeah, of course, and blah, blah. They show you first, but I want to scroll way past that. I want to get down to, and this is what they're talking about, is selling backlinks as a service, whether it's Fiverr or whatever thing you can your own website. You can get those kind of things. Maybe I'll leave it there. Click the link in the video description, and it'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. You click the product box or the link at the bottom. Be sure to grab the $3 or $4 off discount coupon code and try that out. And you can get it from $17 down to $13, $14. And then the upgrade offers are listed there. There's a demo video about 6 minutes you can watch if you want to see exactly what it does and how it works. Check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Click the link in the video description and go check out BacklinkMaker AI. Enjoy.